Welcome back. In this video, we're introducing you to Aurelius, your personal AI tutor that understands your exact exam board and specification. Let's see what Aurelius can do.
Aurelius isn't just a generic chatbot, it specifically understands your syllabus. When you open Aurelius, it already knows your subject, your exam board, and your level. That means every answer, every explanation, and every practice question is tailored to what you will actually be tested on. No irrelevant content. When you first open the chatbot, you can send a message to this chat and this wakes up Aurelius. Or you can open up a previous chat and continue working on it. The chat history is also filtered by subject. So if you're in computer science, you'll only see your computer science chats, not your maths conversations. On chat history, you can also see the titles of the previous chats showing what you were working on, and you can search through the chats and delete them. Once active, Aurelius remembers the entire conversation, so you can build on previous questions naturally. The simplest thing you can do is ask Aurelius to explain any topic. For example, we could ask, how can I convert 10 from denary to binary? Aurelius also understands every part of your syllabus, so you could even ask something like, what is everything I need to know for specification point 1.1.2, and it will be able to understand exactly what you need to know. You'll also notice that Aurelius can give you practice questions at the end of explanations to help you be able to apply your understanding to exam scenarios. If you're studying computer science, Aurelius can also teach you how to code. You can ask something like, how can I code a way to output the numbers from 1 to 5? Give me the pseudocode. And it will give you the pseudocode for your specific exam board. If you're a visual learner, you can also ask for a flowchart. You can go full screen, and you can see the entire full flowchart, and you can also zoom out here, so you can see it in full. Aurelius also has a built-in calculator tool to carry out arithmetic, so you can ask something like, what is 8.8 minus 8.11, then add it to 2 and multiply it by 3, without worrying about arithmetic mistakes. You can also ask Aurelius to generate you practice questions. You can also provide Aurelius with images to analyze, just by clicking the plus button and uploading an image. I've uploaded an image of a LAN. For more complex questions, you can enable deeper AI thinking. When this is turned on, Aurelius takes more time to reason through the problem, considers multiple approaches, and gives thorough, analytical answers for essays or hard questions. You'll see the button turns green when it's enabled. Just remember, it's going to take slightly longer to respond. To summarize, Aurelius is your personal AI tutor that knows your exact syllabus, generates exam-style questions, can create flowcharts for you, calculates math accurately with built-in calculator, analyzes images that you upload, thinks deeper when you need to, and saves everything so you can pick up where you left off. It's like having a tutor available 24/7 who knows exactly what you need for your exams. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.